I've written the theorem here, and A is less than B, negative 2 is less than 0, and f of A and f of B, your f of A is 225, and your f of B is negative 1, and they are of opposite sign, then there's at least one real 0. So these are opposite. So yes, we have to have at least one real 0. Now a real 0, that's where y equals 0. And if you look at the graph, if you think of the order pair negative 2, 225, so let that be negative 2 and 225, let's do, I don't know, 100, 200, 300. So negative 2, 225 would be right here somewhere. And f of 0, this order pair here is 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1 would be here. So somewhere, this graph, I'm not going to do the exact graph of it, but it would have a real 0 somewhere in there where it crosses the y-axis. So it crosses the x-axis. That's where y equals 0, and that's a real 0. So that's why the answer is yes.